Alright, so here's the unveiled 2021 Elantra N-Line. So this is the sporty derivative of the Elantra lineup. Most importantly, gets independent rear suspension compared to the torsion beam that's based on the regular car. And the powertrain is pretty much carryover from the Elantra GT. So it's got the 1.6 turbo with a 6-speed manual or optional 7-speed dual clutch. So still 7-speed dual clutch, unlike the Sonata, which is getting a new 8-speed dual clutch transmission. So we'll see if it's still a nice performance car compared to some of its counterparts. Definitely very angular, very aggressive looking car. So let's go ahead and look at some of the features about the vehicle. Please comment below what you think. I think it's very aggressive. In some ways, a little bit too many creases and lines, but it definitely does stand out. There's no mistaking this car is going to grab your attention when it's driving on the road. So you have all new alloy rims, very aggressive grille, a lot of streaks and rakes throughout the vehicle. So I'm still trying to put my head around the new look, but definitely, once again, you won't definitely won't be under the radar in terms of getting appearance and stares at the car. So it's very nice. It looks like the drag coefficient has come down quite a bit, so it should be very slippery in terms of aerodynamic purposes. Nice big mirrors to give you outside vision. And suspension is tuned to give you a lot more fun ride than the standard vehicle. So it's got like a duckbill spoiler in the back. Looks like it's pretty spacious inside. And we're going to get to the interior in a moment. Very aggressive tail. Mixture of LED lighting as well. Close look at the wheels with the Continental tires. So we'll see how it does. I mean, they've done pretty well in the past. Is this still something that's going to give Civic fits? We're not sure yet, but there's a new sport seats with the end badging. There's your 1.6 turbo motor again. Definitely can be tuned to extract more power. And there's a close look at the N-Line badge itself. Two nice interesting seats there. Big fan of the new steering wheel. We'll get to that in a moment. Got the N-Line on the bottom. Very spacious interior. Does get rid of some of the creature comforts. It's more sport oriented vehicle. Decent sized trunk. Dual exhaust system. There's a look at the interior. So it's a little bit different from your standard Elantra, which is more of a liquid crystal design for your displays. Got your dual climate controls, your standard tach and speedometer, different drive modes. Still very nice functional interior. Definitely ergonomically designed, very simple, straightforward. I think it's just a step back compared to the standard Elantra, which gets more features and more touchscreen options. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that's going to be standard on the vehicle. But thanks for tuning into the video. And we'll have a lot more videos and reviews to come when we get the opportunity. Hope all is well. Take care.